Hello everyone. So now we are going to discuss about another topic, recursion, scope of variables and storage classes. As we come to the introduction, this concept helps control how functions and variable behave in C language. Recursion is called as how functions call themselves is called as a recursion. And if we come to the next to the scope where variables are accessible, and we come to the storage class, lifetime and visibility of variables. What is recursion? Recursion is when a function calls itself directly or indirectly. It specifies complex problems into smaller ones, like example factorial, um, Fibonacci series, etc. As we come to the recursive function example, we can see the recursive function example in the given screen. In factorial, open parenthesis, int n and close parenthesis and curly bracket open. And if we come to the next, n equatorial equals to 0. And next we should come to the return 1. And next, if we go to the else part, the return n factorial will go to the n minus 1. And we should close the curly braces. And we should take the factorial 5 as the size. And we should write the all 5 values. And we should multiply with each other. And we'll get the final output answer. Types of recursion. Direct recursion, indirect recursion. Indirect recursion, the function call itself direct. In indirect recursion, function A calls B and B calls A. Scope of variables. Scope defines where a variable can be accessed. Types: local scope, global scope, function scope, and block scope. In local scope, inside a function or a block. In a global scope, outside all functions. In a function scope, only within that function. In a block scope, only within the curly braces only. As we come to the storage classes in the C, they define the time limit and visibility of a variable. If we come to the types, they are displayed on the screen, as you can watch it there. And next, if we come to the example of the storage class, we can see that the static int count equals to 0 and the void demo. And next, if this increment is happening, so the count plus plus, as we come to the printf, percentile d and count, and we should close the curly braces. Values of count is retained between function calls. As we come to the conclusion, recursion simplifies problem solving using function calls. Scope determines where variables can be used. Storage classes manage variable lifetime and visibility. So that's it. Thank you.